What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Electro from Spider-Man. Let's get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll just bend that out. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, we're going to come in and then bend that up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now let's tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half circle. We're going to come down towards the bottom of the eye, and pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add a highlight on the left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm just going to draw a small circle, going around, and then out. Let's line this up on the right side, and we're going to tuck this up underneath the eyelid. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to move to the center and draw the inside edge of the mask. So right in the center, let's start with a point. From here, we're going to draw a straight angle line coming down and out toward the left and right side. And then from the ends, draw a short line coming in. And draw another straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom corner of the mask. Let's work our way back up towards the side of the head, starting on the left, angle up and in. And then from here, draw a short angled line coming down and out towards the side. And we'll pull this up, aiming towards the eye, going up and in. Let's add a slightly longer point along the side, starting on the left, go down and out. And pull that up and in. Now we're going to work our way up towards the top of the mask. Starting back on the left, angle up and out. Come down and in with a short line. And we'll draw another straight line going up and out. And we'll add a couple more points. Back on the left, and go down and in, and go all the way up toward the top of the mask. Now from here, we're going to work our way in towards the center. Let's start back on the left, and go down and in. Let's line this up on the right side. Just going to go straight out with a short line. And we'll pull that down and in, right about there. Let's draw on that center point. Starting back on the left, I'm just going to angle up and in towards the top. Come down with a short angled line, and then go all the way up towards the top, in towards the center of our page. Let's draw on the right side. Starting back at the top, come down in an angle, all the way down towards the bottom. Follow that same angled line, up and in, come all the way down towards the right side. Now we're going to draw the top of the head in behind the mask. We're going to start over on the left side, curve up, and bend that in. Let's line this up on the right, go out, and then down. Let's go back down and draw on the face. We're going to start with the nose. Starting over on the left, draw a short curve, coming down and then up. Then we'll move down and draw on the top of the mouth. Starting back on the left, come down and then up. And then from the ends, curve out and then down towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's connect the bottom corners of the mouth with a curve, going up and then down. And then we'll separate out the teeth. Starting over on the left, draw a short line coming in, line this up on the right, and we'll cross this like a T, coming all the way down towards the bottom of the mouth. and we'll fill in the corners in black. Let's move back to the center, step down, draw a short line going across for the lower lip. And now we're going to close off the bottom of the chin. Starting back on the left, let's curve down underneath the mouth and pull that up on the right side. Let's go back out and draw the side of the head in behind the mask. We're going to start over on the left side, curve down and then in. And we continue that curve along the bottom, just pulling that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down and in, and then continue along the bottom. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head. Draw the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll connect the hips with a curve. Going down, and then up. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the collar. Start over on the left, curve down, and then up. Now I'm going to add that lightning bolt detail coming down towards the bottom. Starting on the left side of the collar, angle down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, angle up and out with a short line. Draw another angled line, coming down and in. And then again, another short angle line going up. And I'll pull this down toward the bottom of the body. Let's trace this detail along the outside, starting on the left, come down, go out, and I'll just pull this all the way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the center of the body, step down, draw a short line going across from left to right. And then on the left side, curve the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Go over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side and round out the top of the foot. We're going to start from the toe, we're going to draw a half circle, going up. It's going to aim towards the heel and leave a gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the shorts. Starting from the left, curve up, and then out. And we'll add some detail to the legs. We're going to start on the left side, angle down and in, go up, down, and just pull that up and in toward the inside of the leg. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, go down and out, up towards the top, down, and then out. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arm. Let's start on the left side of the head, curve the arm coming down, and then out, go over towards the right side, do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. We start up here, curve up, and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. Let's add in the palm. From the inside of the thumb, curve down and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Go up and down. Round up the thumb, pull that back up, and then add in the palm. Let's draw 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the side of the thumb, we'll draw a half oval. Going out, and then in, step down, do that again. Just going to pull this up underneath the thumb, and do that one more time. And we'll do the same on the right. Let's go underneath the bottom finger, curve the hand coming down, and just hook that up. Step down, curve the arm coming in and up underneath the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Come down and hook that up. Step down, curve in, and then up. Then halfway along the top of the arm, we draw the edge of the glove. Curving in, and then back out towards the bottom. line this up on the right, come in, and then out. Let's go back and surround the hands with some electricity. Starting from the wrist, angle up and out, come down, go out. I'm just going to hook that back in, going up and in, and then down. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Starting from the wrist, I'm going to angle up and out, and down and out toward the side, up and in, and then back down. Now we're going to work our way back around towards the bottom of the hand. Start from the top, just taper that up towards the side. Just going to trace this down, and then in towards the hand. Let's go back over toward the left side, work our way around the hand, going out, down, out, and then up. And from here, it's going to taper this down toward the bottom, go up toward the hand, come down, and up. And I'll trace this back along the inside. Out, up, and in underneath the hand. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Electro from Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.